Okay, so here we have a table. If someone wants to get something like this, right, at the 4, you should return the wholesome. The name of the company is Wholesome Food. So something like this, right, can be achieved using, rather than when you change the tree, right, it needs to change it to SCM byte, but it doesn't change. So in order to solve this, we can use the VLookup. Lookup key is here, and then comma, highlight the leftmost column, and then we can highlight the whole table, and then comma, 1, 2 on the second column, and finally this is a false type, which is the exact match. Okay, now if I change it to, this will automatically change. This is one common method. The other one, you can enter the VLookup, right, is using the button here on the top there, insert function, and search for the function you want, and then there is, you double click on it, it will come out with the same thing. Your lookup value is here, then your table array is this whole thing, and then the column index is 2, and the last one is false. Now false, right, can also be replaced with 0, and click OK, and here we go. That is the VLookup exact match. The other is VLookup closest match. So here you want to provide free cookies for those orders that is between more than 100, right? Or more than 100, you get 5 free cookies. If you more than 200, you get 10, right? So it's a bit like this, right? 0 to 99, okay, get no free cookies. So how do you achieve this, right? Is that again we go to this, get the function key. This is just for human to understand, right? Now next I go for VLookup. Okay, and then the lookup key is orders, how many orders, and then comma, the table array is right here, and then the column index number is 2, and this is not false type, it's true type. By default it's true type, and then click OK, and oops, something is not right here. True type cookies orders, comma, I think there is no double quote somewhere here, right? Accidentally we enter double quote. Oh no, there is an order. So what's wrong here? Yeah, now let's just try here again one more time. VLookup, the order country, orders right here, comma to true type. Okay, so we don't know what's wrong that. Let's just double click on here, and you can see that this is using the closest match. 26 Y0 because it's not written as 0, it's read as 0 to 99. Therefore, it is 0. 101, well, you get 5 free cookies. Just add one more order, right? The orders free cookie can also check against a different free cookies, right? We don't want the customer to see our how many free cookies are there, or we want to refer to different worksheet. It can be done as well. Just type in VLookup and then press the tab key, press the tab key to complete this. Next, we always highlight this list here, then comma, put 2, put true type, and close parenthesis. Same thing, apply the same, right? And this is it. Thanks for watching.